Hello everyone, welcome to GB Reddy Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it, enable notification for more interesting videos and future ongoing videos. Right, we are continuing on Postman series. Right, we are started with the data driven testing. In the previous session we have seen data driven testing using CSV file. If anyone did not watch, please watch it. Right, today we will see data driven testing using JSON. Alright, data driven testing JSON. What is data driven testing? I want to run same test case with different multiple types of data. Right, different sets of data. That is called data driven testing. Suppose I want to log in. Right, I want to log in with different types of login user, or I want to create, suppose if you take a Naukri. Right, multiple people will create the Naukri account, but functionality is same, creating the Naukri account, but a different data. Right, data is different but the same test case. Right, that is called a data driven testing. Right, now we will see with the JSON file. Right, previously we have created a CSV file. Right, now JSON file. Right, one simple thing is what we can do. Right, we have a we will have a online editors, right, to convert CSV file to JSON. Right, open the browser and type convert CSV to CSV file to JSON. Okay, now click on this CSV to JSON, and here what we required, CSV to JSON. Right, now copy paste whatever we have created previously, just copy paste here and then convert. Right, see it is converted. Right, array of JSON. Right, we have seen what is the JSON syntax. This is the array of records. Right, array of users. Right, this is one user, this is one user. If you want to keep all users in, we have to keep it in a square bracket. This is called array. Right, same thing, copy, come to notepad, right, paste here, right, save as, right, similarly double quotes, users dot JSON, right, just click on users.json, it will save. Right, users.json, it will save. Now come to Postman. Right, now again same test case, we no need to change anything, just click on run collection. Right, run collection. Right, just select the functional. Right, functional, run manually. Right, run manually. We no need to select, the iterations will update automatically based on the file. Right, select the file, select from computer, right, users.json. If you want to upload to workspace, you can upload, otherwise use locally. If you upload to workspace, right, it will next time if you are running, suppose if I try to upload it, right, next time what it will do, it will show, right, suppose if I want to click on select, see it will show automatically down. Right, it will automatically show. If you use locally means every time we have to get it from the local only. Right, we know it to see automatically iterations are updated. We have 4 records, so 4 iterations are automatically updated. Now suppose first iteration, second iteration, if you want to wait for some delay, milliseconds, 5 milliseconds, 10 milli, you can, otherwise not required. Right, then go, now run it. Okay, now it's running, see. Right, all got passed. Right, total how many are executed? 4 iteration, 36 test cases, 243 milliseconds average time. Right, we can see if you want to click on view results, right, we can verify results. Right, if we have any doubts, we can click on create user. Right, it will open. We can not here. Right, if we click on this pass or fail, right, if we click on this, it will open. Here we can see request. What is the request, whether correctly? See, it is created dynamic email, and also from the JSON file it got replaced. Right, response. This is the response. Right, response. Here we can see right response headers. What are the response headers we got? Right, we can see if we click on it, it will open that particular request. Right, fine. Like this we can execute. Right, we can achieve data driven testing by using CSV file or JSON file. Right, anyone by using CSV file or JSON file we can achieve the data driven testing. Right, if you want to add any validations, right, you can add. Already we have right, just 200 we have. Only post user we have multiple validations. Right, in the prerequisite we have creating the random email, and post response we are validating all the fields with the JSON file. Right, we are getting the data from the response and getting the data from the CSV. Created data and whatever input data, both are same or not, we are validating. Right, in the body, right, we are getting, if you want to get the data from the CSV or JSON, same syntax. Right, double curly brackets, give the name. This name CSV, right, here names JSON or CSV, these header names should match, then only it will inject here. Right, automatically. Right, this is how we can achieve the data driven testing. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Right, please share to your friends, like the video. Thanks for watching.